back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So today I have my BoxyCharm base box unboxing. So just in case you do not know, so BoxyCharm is a $25 a month subscription, which we are guaranteed to get 5 full-size items with a minimum value of $125 per box. And this again is our January 2020 box. This is very early for me, so I'm very excited to do my unboxing. But if this interests you, keep on watching. But before I go any further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, select all in your notification, and write a comment below on what's your favorite item for my box. And if you've already gotten your box, what is your favorite item from your box? Or what are you looking forward to receiving? And so let's go, you guys. So to save on time, I've cut the slit. So of course we got the same little card. This month's theme is breaking the ice because it's very cold and brisk in most parts of the country. For the BoxyCharm base box, everyone gets this size box along with the red interior. Again, that soft powder blue is actually for premium. I'm so glad I've been seeing that BoxyCharm went back to that foam protector, because if you guys saw my October unboxing, 3 out of 5 items were damage of mine. So this is your extra protection to help during transport, because delivery drivers don't always care. But let's flip this open and put this down. All right, so let me look. Without looking, I'm just gonna be digging one at a time. So the first item I got right here, this is from Skin & Co. Roma. It's the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage, a dedicated exfoliant cream with a rich texture, smoothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. Very nice. So this says, comes with sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxidant dismutase, I can't pronounce that word, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing more luminous and healthy complexion. So personally, I do like a nice exfoliant, especially if it's gentle, and it sounds like it's a cream base, so that will be really nice to try. We have received products from Skin & Co. in the past, like a setting spray or a refresher spray. I've also, well over a year ago, I actually got the Skin & Co. moisturizing cream in a FabFitFun box. So I do know I like the scent of these particular products. So I'm very excited to try this one out. Because today I did an exfoliant before getting ready, and even though it wasn't too harsh, it left my skin pretty red. So you could probably still see it even with makeup, because I did a light coverage foundation. But the Skin & Co. is a $28 retail value. My next item, Mana Kadar Beauty. It's a lip whip, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, formulated with long-lasting pigment that doesn't dry your lips out. It retails for $21. So if you guys can see, it's like a mauve red tone. It says lip whip in color Hope. I've never had a lip whip product, so that will be interesting. It's a pretty standard not mauve tone, so maybe I'll give it a shot. This is so far my least intriguing item of this box. So this right here is from Advant Skincare. It's their 8-hour Radiant Renewal Sleeping Mask. So it's a sleeping mask, and it says the 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It helps to tighten and the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It retails for $107. So last month in my box, I did get their moisturizer, which I heard a lot of people saying that they actually use it as primer as well. So it will be very nice to try this out, because I just finished my favorite overnight mask, so this would be very cool. So I got the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, which retails at $25. The really nice kind of like packaging. So this is a hydrating formula, and okay, it says Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish, infused with vitamin E and I cannot pronounce that word, I'll write it here, to keep your skin moisturized and rejuvenated and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvet soft formula to visibly brighten your complexion and cover up dark circles. This blendable long wear concealer is great for all skin types. So I will say, you guys, when we got the sample packs, some of us got the Pretty Vulgar sample packs of concealer, or others got the Becca foundation sample packs back in November. I loved the coverage. I liked, it's my normal foundation color, so it's not going to work as much when it comes to brightening, but it did definitely cover up. It was very hydrating. Now realizing and looking at the formula, I understand why I liked it so much. It's a gel texture and the vitamin E. So I really enjoyed this. In fact, I used the darker colors when I was doing a tutorial to do my contouring, and it looked beautiful. So I'm very excited to get this guy. And then I got shade 60 Lily White Lies. And now that I have a full size, I'll be able to try it out even more. And if I really do like it, I'll go back and purchase the lighter color so I could do a brightening. And my last item. So my last item I got is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Palette. Yeah, Scarlet Dust Palette. It's a very nice, simple packaging, if you can see that. Let me open her up. Just in case you guys want to know, all the ingredients, formula, and expires 12 months after opening is in the back. Again, very nice, simple, matte black packaging with a really nice kind of like gold leaf, or more like rose gold leaf print on here. I like how reflective it is. It also comes with a generous mirror, and I'm so happy I got this. Oop, I dropped a paper. I'm so happy I actually got this palette. The other palette did look really pretty, but I more personally lean to these tones on my everyday kind of looks. Again, I'm a mauve pink gal lover, and also I like how it has like those pops of oranges, like some bright color oranges that I don't currently own, so I'm really excited to try it out. Throw in some swatches for you guys to see the colors, that way you guys can see it in natural lighting. I would like to note that my swatches begin from the top left side downward, beginning again from the bottom of my wrist. I also did a double swatch so that way you could see the color's full potential. The colors are very, very nice and very pretty pigmented in my opinion, and they feel very creamy. From my experience with using the one from last time that we received, they wore well throughout the day as well. It was literally my go-to palette along with the Pretty Vulgar palette we had received the September of 2018. I used those palettes up. I think it's one of the few palettes that I actually made dents in them. The Pretty Vulgar, I actually hit pan in a few shades as well. So very excited to receive this. So I forgot to mention the palette is $34.99, so I'm gonna round it up to $35 because I totaled up my box, and this box is at $216 retail. I think that's kind of crazy, especially since I did my premium unboxing yesterday and that box was retailed at $212 and I got more items. Now it definitely has to do with the fact that I got the Advent overnight sleeping mask, which has a really high dollar value. I'm very excited to try it. Overall, you guys, I really have to say I like this box. I love 4 out of the 5 items. I'm very glad that I received the Advent overnight sleeping mask. I know everyone's raving and gawking over the Too Faced highlighter and the Good Glow Recipe overnight mask, but in my case I did not want that highlighter actually. I would have even been happy with the Wonder Beauty palette actually, just so you guys know, but I didn't want the highlighter. I have loads of highlighter and I remember swatching it at the store a while back and it's super glittery in my opinion. For me it's too glittery. And then the Glow Recipe mask, again, everyone was so hyped for it, so if I got it, it would have been great, but again, I'm still glad I got this sleeping mask. I think it's a great brand and I have enjoyed some of the other products I've received from their company as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I greatly appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please remember to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. And again, comment below what was your favorite item from my box, and if you've received your boxes, let me know what your favorite item from your box is. Thank you guys so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you, and I will catch you all on the next one. Goodbye.